Hello everyone, welcome back to Agriculture Insight. Today we're going to talk about rye, a crop known for its resilience and versatility. It is more than just a grain, it's the backbone of some of the most beloved products in America, from hearty rye bread to smooth rye whiskey. Each year, American farmers harvest an impressive 528 million pounds of rye. But have you ever wondered how this incredible feat is achieved? In this video, we'll take you behind the scenes of modern rye farming, where cutting-edge industrial machinery transforms sprawling golden fields into perfectly harvested grains. And then, the rye embarks on a fascinating journey to state-of-the-art processing facilities. Join us as we uncover the incredible process of harvesting rye in America, showcasing the innovation and craftsmanship that bring this humble grain to life. Let's get started. Rye is one of the most fascinating grains in agriculture. Its slender seeds, typically longer and narrower than wheat, come in shades of grayish-green when raw, turning golden brown after harvest and processing. The plant itself stands tall in fields, its green stalks swaying gracefully in the wind before transitioning to a golden hue when mature. While often overshadowed by wheat and corn, rye has carved out a niche for itself in American agriculture, particularly for its versatility and resilience. This grain thrives in cool climates and nutrient-poor soils, making it a reliable crop for farmers in regions with challenging conditions. It tolerates cold winters better than most other grains, making it a staple in areas where harsh weather is the norm. In the United States, rye is predominantly grown in the cooler parts of the Midwest, including states like Minnesota and Wisconsin, as well as in parts of the Northeast, such as New York and Pennsylvania. These areas provide the ideal mix of moderate summers, cool falls, and well-drained soils. Its ability to adapt to various uses and conditions makes it indispensable in the farming world. When it comes to harvesting rye, precision and timing are critical. The process varies depending on the intended use of the rye. Farmers must carefully decide whether to harvest the crop green for silage or wait until it's fully mature for food production or seed. This decision significantly impacts the equipment used, the techniques applied, and the ultimate quality of the harvested rye. For rye silage, the crop is typically harvested while the plant is still green, before the grains have fully matured. At this stage, the stalks and leaves retain higher levels of moisture and nutrients, making them ideal for livestock feed. Silage rye provides a balanced diet for cows, sheep, and other farm animals, particularly during winter when fresh forage is scarce. Specialized forage harvesters are used for this task. These machines cut the rye close to the ground, chop it into manageable pieces, and transport it directly into wagons or trucks. This quick process ensures that the nutrients in the rye are preserved, providing high-quality feed for animals. When rye is destined for human consumption or replanting, it is left in the fields until it has fully matured. This stage is marked by the plant's golden color and the hardening of the grains, with a moisture content of around 14 to 16%. At this point, the combine harvester, often referred to simply as a combine, becomes indispensable. The combine harvester is a marvel of modern agriculture, combining three critical functions: reaping, cutting the plant, threshing, separating the grains from the stalks, and winnowing, cleaning the grains. First, the combine's cutter bar slices through the rye stalks just above the ground. The cut stalks are fed into the machine's threshing drum, where the grains are separated from the stalks through mechanical agitation. After threshing, the grains pass through sieves and air blowers, which remove chaff and other debris. The cleaned grains are stored in a large hopper within the combine. while the leftover straw is either dropped back onto the field as mulch or baled for use as animal bedding. The introduction of combine harvesters has revolutionized rye farming in America. In the past, harvesting rye was a labor-intensive process that required many workers and long hours in the fields. Today, a single combine can harvest hundreds of acres in a fraction of the time. This efficiency not only saves time and labor costs, but also ensures that the rye is harvested at the perfect stage of maturity. Timing is especially important for food-grade rye, as grains that are harvested too early or too late can lose quality. By streamlining the process, combines allow farmers to maximize yields and meet the high standards required for food production and export. Moreover, modern combines are equipped with GPS technology, sensors, and data analytics, allowing farmers to monitor yields in real time and make adjustments on the go. This level of precision minimizes waste and ensures that the harvested rye meets the highest standards. The use of such advanced machinery highlights the importance of technology in modern agriculture, making it possible to harvest 528 million pounds of rye efficiently and effectively. Once the rye is harvested, the next stage begins, processing. The journey from field to factory involves several critical steps, each designed to preserve the quality of the grains and prepare them for their final use. The first step is cleaning, where the rye is passed through sieves, magnets, and air blowers to remove dirt, stones, and other impurities. This is followed by drying, a crucial process that ensures the grains have the ideal moisture content for storage. Too much moisture can lead to mold and spoilage, so this step is essential for maintaining quality. After drying, the grains are sorted by size and quality. High-quality grains are reserved for food production, while slightly lower quality batches might be used for animal feed. Finally, the cleaned and dried grains are stored in silos or packaged for transport to bakeries, distilleries, and other industries. Rye bread is one of the most beloved creations from rye, celebrated for its dense texture and slightly tangy flavor. This hearty and nutritious bread has become a staple in cuisines worldwide, thanks to its unique taste and versatility. The journey of rye bread begins with the milling process, where rye grains are ground into flour. Unlike wheat flour, rye flour contains less gluten, resulting in the bread's characteristic density and hearty structure. Once the flour is ready, it is mixed with water, yeast, and sometimes a sourdough starter. The sourdough starter plays a crucial role in helping the dough rise while adding a distinctive tangy flavor to the bread. In modern bakeries, robots and automated machines take over much of the process. Robots efficiently mix and knead the dough, ensuring consistency and saving time. After the dough has risen, robotic arms carefully shape it into loaves, maintaining precision and reducing human labor. The shaped dough then moves into fully automated ovens, equipped with advanced baking technology. These ovens control temperature and timing with incredible precision, ensuring each loaf is baked to perfection. The result is rye bread with a firm, golden crust encasing a soft, dense interior. This bread pairs wonderfully with butter, cheese, or smoked salmon, making it a delicious alternative to traditional white bread. The integration of automation and robotics in baking has made the production of rye bread more efficient while preserving its rich flavor and texture. This combination of tradition and technology highlights the culinary potential of rye, ensuring it continues to delight tables around the world. Typically made from American white oak, are carefully selected for their strength and ability to impart complex flavors. Before use, the barrels are toasted and charred over an open flame. This charring caramelizes the wood's. Harvesting 528 million pounds of rye in America is a monumental task, made possible by the dedication of farmers, the ingenuity of modern machinery, and the efficiency of processing systems. From the fields of the Midwest to the bakeries and distilleries across the nation, rye undergoes an incredible journey, proving its worth as one of the most versatile and valuable grains. Whether enjoyed as a loaf of rye bread or a glass of rye whiskey, this humble grain continues to leave its mark on America's agricultural and culinary landscapes. Its resilience, adaptability, and versatility ensure that rye remains a staple in the lives of farmers, bakers, distillers, and consumers alike. Hope you'll like the video. Goodbye, and see you next time.